Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change music speed on Spotify. To get started, go ahead and tap on a Spotify application. Now once you tap on it, you'll be brought to the home page of the Spotify application. Now you can select any music of your choice. For instance, I have chosen this. So I have played it. So in order to change the music speed, what you can do is, so here you can see there is no option in order to change the music speed on your Spotify. This is because Spotify does not allow you to change the speed of your music. But although we can change the speed of podcast in the Spotify. So let's say for example I have searched for this podcast. So I have played the podcast. So here in order to change the speed, now here in the bottom left corner you can see the option speed. Simply tap on it and select any speed of your choice and play it. So that's all guys, this is how easily it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.